Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Today our focus is going to be on zooming in on small moments. So, writers growing their stories by describing the details that they've used their five senses to discover. So, writing about what you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you feel, and one of the strategies that are things that I like to imagine myself doing when I'm trying to use this strategy is kind of looking over my memory and my story with a magnifying glass and really paying attention and getting up in close on a couple of details. So I want to show you a little bit about what I'm talking about on this page from the book Last Stop on Market Street, and how the author Mike de la Pena zoomed in on some really beautiful details. So the first thing that, that he writes about on this page is water pooling on flower petals and rain pattering against the windshield of a nearby car. I mean, you guys, that is beautiful language. And the author got there just by paying attention to what he was hearing and what he was seeing in front of him. The next thing I noticed is that this author used his powers of observation to really write down the details about what the people around him were doing and writing down their exact actions. So he writes his friend Kobe climbed in the car and gave CJ a wave. I mean, I really feel like I'm right there with him on the street, hearing the rain on the windshields, seeing it pool up on the flowers. And the very last thing that this author does, using his senses again, what did he hear, is include some dialogue about what people said, really thinking about the exact words that they used to say it. So today, I want you to try to find one part of your story to zoom in on. It could be at the beginning, the middle, or the end, and really fill in the exact details that you saw, heard, smelled, tasted, and felt for your story. And when you're done with that section, I want you to choose another one, and then another one, until you've zoomed in on those small moments stories, those small moments in all three parts of your story. Guys, I am really excited to see what you do next. I can't wait to hear about your stories. Thanks so much for coming today, and I'll see you tomorrow.